Road safety is very important, especially if you're a motorcyclist, and the Tali helmet can certainly help you do that. This is a smart connected helmet. As you can see, there's a lot of lights on the helmet. These lights can be indicators, whether to indicate where you're going on the road. Can also be a brake light, so people around you know what you're doing as well, and can also just be turned on to increase your visibility. But it's also a connected helmet, so you're able to talk, use your voice to activate calls. You be on intercom with other riders around you. It also has a safety beacon, so if you're involved in an accident, it can give you a precise location. This is the smart helmet of the future, and even connected so that when you're approaching your home, for example, it could open gates and connect to your home smart speakers as well.